Hi, my name is Jasmine Finney, and today I'm going to teach you how to sew a button back onto your shirt. Don't you hate when you're at the mall and your button falls off? Well, me too. Today I'm going to teach you how to be prepared in that instance. You want to always carry a sewing kit with you just in case this happens. So first you want to think about what your button is. If it has 1, 2, 3, or 4 holes, you want to make sure that you distribute the string evenly so that you are securing your button back on tightly. Once you have threaded your needle, you want to make sure that you tie a knot at the end so that you're securely fastening the button. You go through each hole individually until you're almost out of string. Once you're at that point, you want to tie a knot at the end so that it will stay on secure. My name is Jasmine, and that is how you sew a button back onto a shirt. Thank you.